Looking for a better filling solution with a partner you can trust? Need a flexible partner who can manufacture and fill all under one roof? JBM Packaging offers better packaging solutions. Here's a sneak peek at our filling service capability. Step 1. Empty packaging is placed onto a filling nest. Step 2. Air blasters send air into the package to open for filling. Step 3. Product is filled into the package, either by hand or auto feeder above. Step 4. Inline quality control checks to ensure that filled packet volume is accurate. Step 5. Rollers fold over the flap of the package at the score. Step 6. Packages are sealed with pre-applied heat-activated or latex adhesives for a secure closure. Step 7. Pack-out staging area where filled products are prepared for shipping. Damage-free filled product ready to be in your customer's hands. And the best part is you stay focused on your core business. Explore a better solution today. Let's partner.